Hey everyone. So this is just a quick little video on why clarity is key when manifesting. Now, the reason clarity is key when manifesting is because, to get what you want, you need to be clear on it and you need to know what you want. Okay. So like you wouldn't go to, for example, you wouldn't go to a restaurant and just go, the waiter comes up and says, what would you like to order? You wouldn't just be like, oh, I don't know, I'm not sure, maybe this, maybe that, maybe this, maybe that, and like get sort of like all confused about what you want, okay? And so it's really important. I just wanted to give you this message today to really let you know how important clarity is. For you to be able to put in the right order to the universe, right? And the more clearer you are and the more clarity you have, the faster it can come in, right? Because you're sending a clear message out to the universe of what you want. And you're also clear about what you want. So when it comes into your life, you'll know. And so, it's like the analogy of the restaurant. When you know what you want to order, you will tell the waiter, and the waiter will take it back to the kitchen, which in this instant is the universe, right? And then it will bring it out to you, what you ordered, okay? So, yeah, it's really important to be clear. Let me know if this resonates with you and let me know if you struggle with this and if this has been a missing key for you because, I was just really guided to hop on and talk about this today on video. So clarity is key. Remember that. Get clear on what you want. Let me know in the comments, what are you manifesting at the moment? Get really clear. Put it out there. I want to know. If you've liked this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, hit the bell notification because then you're notified of upcoming videos and readings that I do. And yeah, clarity is key. Be really clear on what you want and watch it come fast. See ya.